Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the It's Potato channel. I know it's been a while since I last filmed a video. It's been 2 months, and it's so surprising how I've been growing so much. Well, not that much, but I'm really thankful for having 180 subscribers. I remember it was just 4 months ago when I only had 100, so that is some major growth right there. So thank you all for that. So in this video, I'm doing a tutorial about how to make a game, and let me first show you how to play the game, and then I will show how to code it. So first, we click space and hold space, and then for that duration of time we hold it, it will be like doing some calculations, and then it will throw the ball as with that timing. So from what I've learned is that the best timing is around 3 to 4 seconds. So like hold 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe that did not work. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that did not work either. That's slightly embarrassing. 1, 2, 3. See? Now it's very okay. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. Well, that's just offensive. Anyways, so now to the coding part. For the ball code, we first start with a when green flag clicked, clear graphic effects, go to -200, y -128, and show. And forever, if lose count, which is a variable, equals 4, then broadcast lose game. Now, when I receive win, set ghost to effect 55, wait 1 second, go to -200. So you can just duplicate this block and put it here. And then you set ghost to 0. Now when space pressed, set ghost to effect to 0, show, reset timer, and forever if not space key pressed, then set time to timer, and broadcast shoot, and stop this script, which is very important for this. And then when we receive shoot, we set speed to 1, which is another variable. We repeat 25 times, change x by time times speed times 75 hundredths, and then we change speed by 1, and now we get an if loop where if touching color, to get this color you can just click this part, so we put that there, and broadcast win, change lose count by 1 and wait 0.5 seconds, go to -200 and the same reset spot. So now for this code, this is the block where we want to hit, where we want the ball to hit. So you just make sure that it's around this size, around the backdrop side, and this is how the backdrop looks like. And yeah, now for the code of this sprite is when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0, and when I receive win, if x position equals 100, then broadcast win game, which is when this gray block is reached all the way to the end, and wait 1 second and then change by 25 x position. Now for the you lose text and the you win, let's see if I can get it to win. Okay, that's just mean. Anyways, but if I win the game, it'll show this text. And it's so first we start with when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0, hide, and I receive win game, switch costume to costume 1. Now to make this text bold, you just need to click the outline to make it number 3. I normally do 3 since it doesn't make as many points, but for this one it makes some points and spikes, but it's okay unless you want to fix that part. When I receive lose game, switch costume to costume 2 and show and stop all. And this part of the code, which is the parts. So when we start with set lose count to 1, we go to 0, 0 and set y to 130 and switch costume to lose count forever. So first we start with 1, we make these hearts. They're actually quite simple to make here. Let me show you. First we do this, and then we do like a triangle, but no, not a completed triangle. Then we do this, and then we do that, and we can smooth it out a bit because that just looks really funny. And we curve this, and curve this, and curve that. Now, since this part looks a little funny, we're just gonna like smooth it out slightly. There. Now it does look quite funny, but make it around this size so it doesn't so the hearts aren't too big. And you can color it red or any other color you like. So for number 1, we do 3 hearts. For number 2, we do 2 hearts, and 3, we do 3 hearts. And for 4, 0 hearts. Now, it doesn't exactly make sense, but that's just how this thing will work, okay? Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm looking forward to making a new video soon since it is spring break.